We always hear of companies, head of sales, head of marketing. But when was the last time you heard head of customer service? Hey guys, welcome back to the Yard Dogs channel. In this video today, we're gonna break down the 3 most important parts about building an awesome customer service system around your lawn care business. Let's get into it. Please remember to like and subscribe. Right now, we're trying to get our YouTube channel to 250 subscribers. Right now, we're only at 122. When you see that nice cat in the video, please like it, please subscribe it. It'll really help us out and keep doing awesome videos for you guys. So the first part of having an awesome customer service experience in your lawn care business is investing in a good customer service software. It's probably one of the most critical parts. It should at least have a ticketing software. Ticket for when we're talking about customer service, it's not a movie ticket, it's not a ticket for a hockey game. What it really is, it's like a request that is being tracked. Like nowadays, if you just get an email, you might lose it, you might not really track it. This right here, you're not gonna lose track of this. It will be able to track what's going on, what emails are being said, what phone calls are being made. And then another key point too, is that when that ticket is finally closed at the very end, it will automatically send out a customer service survey called a CES, Customer Effort Score, is what it means. That will say how easy it was to get support, how happy are you with the customer service, all that kind of stuff. All right, so the second key component to having an awesome customer service experience in your lawn care business is to be doing a mid-season checkup for each and every one of your clients. So it shouldn't just be a generic email blast to everybody with the insert your name. We don't want that. That one's gonna yield pretty much no replies. It's just gonna get a lot of unsubscribes. No one's really gonna want that. What you actually really want is to do a one-to-one, just like a normal email to each and every one of your clients, asking them how things are. Is there anything that we can do better? Is there anything that we can improve on? Are you happy with our services? Whatever it's gotta be, and that's gonna yield a much higher reply rate, a much higher open rate. Everything's gonna be a lot better if you do it that way. And then once they do reply, if there's any issues, please try to fix them immediately. Try to give them at least a response with an ETA of when you'll be there to actually be able to fix a job. I recommend also doing this in the mid-season, not in August, September, where it's sort of like towards like the end of the season, because by then, the customers, whatever you do for them at that point, it doesn't even matter. The season's pretty much over. Do it in the mid-season so whatever can be fixed, they can enjoy for the fall. Okay, so the third and most important part of having an awesome customer service experience is making sure that your company and your whole organization is actually prioritizing customer service. Like nowadays, things are so easy. Things are so frictionless. Like if you want a taxi, it's a click of a button. If you want your food delivered, it's here in like 20 minutes. If you want to order something off Amazon, it's here in 1 day. This is nowadays, they really have to adapt to like that frictionless and effortless system that the customer expects like right now, because that's what they're getting from a lot of other industries. We always hear of companies, head of sales, head of marketing. But when was the last time you heard head of customer service? Like seriously, like that's one of the most critical parts of a company that so many people overlook. If there's a new sales lead, if there's a new inquiry, we're always like, hey, like Victor, go get that lead. Hey, Chris, go get that lead. But we gotta have like that same enthusiasm, same intensity for customer service. Hey, there's a new ticket that just got created. We gotta get to that. Oh, they're very happy, that's awesome. We gotta like have like the same enthusiasm for customer service as we do for sales. There really should be a head of customer service for each and every company if you wanna take it to the next level in this 21st century. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you really liked it and you got some good value from this video. Just please remember to like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate the support. Till next time, thanks so much.